CATIA V5. This will be regarding the layout of the user interface when drafting 2D drawings. So I have over here the part, and if I will go to window, I will have the drawing added over here. Now, if you want to switch between those two, you can do that on the same screen. We can go to window, tile vertically, and we're going to have the drawing, in this case, on the left side and the part on the right side. If you want to swap those, you can just reposition them like this. And afterwards, if you're going to tile them again, they will snap into position. Now, the main advantage is that you can easily change the workbench. So if I will click over here, we're going to see that I'm currently within generative shape design. But if I will click over here, this will swap to drafting. So I can easily add annotation and so on the drawing. The main advantage is that you can visualize a 2D drawing over here. For example, if I want to change this stiffening rib over here, I will change this to be 35. I will leave that sketch. And we have that changed over here. So currently we have that problem over there. But if I will swap over here, we're going to see that this hasn't been updated. So I will need to do an update. I will press Ctrl and U from update, and we're going to see the change over here. If you want to change that back, for example, with 35, we're going to have that overlap. I'm going to go with 50, more than initially. Again, we see the change over here. This will go now close to that edge. If I will go back here, this still isn't updated. I will press Ctrl U, that will update, and we see it over here. You can also make the update automatic if you're going to go within tools and options. So keep that in mind. But the main advantage is that you can also see the 2D drawing over here on one side, and you can easily adjust those. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side and the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.